Hello everyone, welcome back to Tinateach HTML. Today we'll be talking about Favicon, okay? We'll be diving into the definition, the usage, and the syntax of Favicon and what it can do for your website. So what is a Favicon? I think some of you might have heard of it. Favicon is this little image on the left of the page title in browsers, and the file type is ICO, okay? Inside of the head tag, below the title tag, you can input this type of link to put a Favicon image into your website. Now, first it proceeds with link, rel for relationship, and the relationship is icon. As for the type, it is an image, X icon, and href is where you would put either a URL or a path to the file that you've downloaded in your computer, okay, or the path to the file in your server. And here I have favicon.ico. Let's go to our main.html. I hope that you remember the simple syntax of HTML. We have doc type, and then HTML language is English. And inside of HTML, we have the head section. Okay, we have title, and I'll put in website for this one. Then we have link, relationship equals to icon, type is image, x-icon. href, I have the file downloaded. It's over here. So I have main.html, and this is what I'm working with, right? This little cat emoji right here, favicon.ico. So I'm just going to put favicon.ico, then close the link. Down here we have body, and in the body I'm just going to have a paragraph, hello. Address to save, and this is what it looks like. You have hello over here, and up here you can see the Favicon that I've showed you previously, okay? So this is what Favicon can do for you. It's simply just another way of branding your website. That's it. Thank you for being here with me, and thank you for watching, even though this is a very short lesson. Our next topic is actually going to be about tables, which is a more sort of in detailed, a little bit longer. So I hope that you will watch it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Learn today, better tomorrow. Goodbye.